This is the Audi Q4 e-tron, so the electric version of the Q4. I like the interior. The 4-spoke wheel is kind of interesting.
I really like the layout of this. This is the first time I've seen this new Audi layout in person.
And it has physical controls for
Thank
the
you,
volume.
Audi.
And a dedicated display right here. Yeah, so this has a capacitive volume knob.
Touch wheel.
Yeah, it's just like an iPod where you scroll like this to
Love it.
increase.
Here for it. So like I think it's worth talking about too, but if you are going to do touchscreens in cars, which is kind of the theme we're seeing, that's where the industry's going, at the very least you have to have these giant touch targets everywhere. It has to be easy that I have some room to miss when I'm driving.
But yeah, in terms of modern interiors, I think this is going to be the closest thing I can find to having, a good, combination of physical buttons, but still having a big touch screen. It has the digital gauge cluster. I can't ask for a whole lot more from a modern car, unfortunately.
I will say that close to 50, I feel like I would struggle with this interior a little bit. It feels very...
I think this trim level / battery pack / power level is 50.
Sure.
Yeah, which is not horrible.
But I don't know, the layout of the interior, all of this, there's a lot of plastic everywhere in this car.
I mean, you're going to see a lot of that in a $50,000 electric car because, of course, they're spending the money on the electric drivetrain, right?
True.
They're not spending it on here, but at least it's functional. I don't know, I actually like this a lot. This is the Q4 e-tron Sportback, which is, I believe, literally the same thing, but with less trunk space, and probably costs more.
You're paying extra for that coupe styling.
Yeah, you're paying extra for the inconvenience. To be honest, I like the look of that one a little bit more. I feel like...
I'm not a very big fan of coupe SUVs.
Oh, please don't tell me you like this.
I actually kind of like
You're
this.
Fired. You're fired.
Just something about that line right there. It's just quite good. I don't know.
You're terrible. Oh, that's right. This has the rear drum brakes because it's on the Volkswagen ID4 platform.
Oh, God. Why?
Because it doesn't need it. This is electric.
I hate that, though. I would feel a little gross about buying a $50,000 car with drum brakes. Yeah, that's just, that don't feel right.
I guess so. Well, honestly, it'd be a lot more effective, just practically speaking.